Sinking and floating. So our first ingredient.
So wait. So.
Our first solution is syrup. That's
That's it. Good.
Our next solution is water with color. That's the color blue. So let's pour it inside.
More.
Just like a little. Keep going. More.
That's it.
Stop me move. The next solution is oil. Just gonna go over here so I get closer. So you can see over here there's a layer of syrup. There's a layer of water, or you can call it like blue water. I'm gonna color of a section of oil. And then do you know why there's bubbles? Because it's the colors. The color of the water right here, it makes bubbles because the oil. We fold this up, we're gonna add my two things I have. We're gonna add a plastic cover cup to cover up the top of the bottle, and I have a coin. So first, we should choose the coin. We're gonna drop it right into the oil. I saw it. It went all the way down to the bottom. See? Do you see it, everybody? I hope you guys do. Now, did it go down or did it go up? Did it float or did it sink? It sinked because the object, the coin, is the object. It is heavy. Now we're gonna do the plastic container. The plastic bottle cap. Do it again. Flip it the other way. Got it? Flip it the other way. Okay, wait.
So that's not going. It stays on the at what level?
Wait, it's going down.
Okay, let's see.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. It's going slowly.
Okay.
You see, guys? Mom, take a zoom.
Yeah, I got it.
You see it right here? First was right here, and I flipped it. Now it's going downer. See? Yeah. So while you watch the video, you're gonna be seeing.
Oh my God!
If it's going to go down to the blue water and the syrup, in the syrup, or is it going to stay just where it is right now? Okay, so wait. Did you notice when you look inside? There's, in the oil. It's big, but when I stand up and look in it, it's like the same size it was. So that we discovered that the bottle top is heavier than the oil, but it is sitting on top of the water, but it is still heavier. I mean,
Lighter.
lighter than the water.
That's why it is sitting on the top of
That's why it's sitting on the top of
the water. Good job.
Now we're gonna do her solution.
Okay.
I have 2 items on my hand. So one of them are a metal piece and the other one is a chalk. So now let's dive them in. So wow! It went down too. It's right there. Have a closer look. It's right there. Now it's
When I put the
metal piece, it went all the way down to the bottom. That means it's heavier than all the solution is. So now let's add the chalk. So don't like drop it in, like just add it slowly. It stayed on the top. And do you know what it's called, guys? It is called the oil. Just like this my sister did the oil. When I put the chalk in, that means it's lighter than all of the things my sister puts in. And the one that I did, that went all the way to the bottom. So now I have in my hand the sponge and the rock. So we're gonna find out if it floats or sinks. Let's find out. Now we're gonna start with the rock. Let's find out which solution is gonna land. It might land on the oil, it might land on the water, and it might land on the syrup. So let's start with the rock. The rock went, let's see. The rock went to the wall. Let's see. I can't see it.
come this way.
I know where the rock is down here with some metal stuff. That means the rock is heavier than the oil and the water, but it landed on the syrup on top of the metal thing. Now let's do my second object, that is a sponge. Let's find out if it's going to be in the water, syrup, or oil. Let's see. Just gonna move this closer to me. So, the sponge is the same weight as the chalk.
Hold on.
It did not sink, it stayed on the top of the oil. And also, by the way, in my last lesson at school, I learned that this one, when we put it inside any liquid, it takes up the liquid, and then when you squeeze it out, the liquid falls out.
Good. I want to show you this. See, air from the chalk is coming off. Can you see?
Yeah.
See?
Where? I can't see it. Look in here.
Yeah.
Wait.
See that? See that?
You see where I'm circling it? Blue?
No, the oil, the air is coming off this one.
Oh, this part, the bubbles. Yeah, and it's
The
falling.
bubbles, yeah.
And it's falling. Oh, it's falling. They're falling, right, guys? They're falling right over there on the water. Right? You can see. And it's gonna sink down.
It's dissolving. It's dissolving. So there is some reaction going on. Yeah.
And there's a hole right there, so it's making bubbles there. See?
What do you
Bubbles.
see?